Dr. Snehal Thamke. I'm winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021.
Hi, I'm Mavis Norton. I'm the winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021, first runner-up.
Hi, I'm Suchita Singhal. I'm winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021, second runner-up.
Okay, so let's start with the Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021 Glamour Gurgaon. What do you want to say about the winning feeling of this title? Anything you'd like to say about it?
For me, it was a dream come true. I have always been dreaming of entering a glamour world and living that moment. And when I received the crown, when I was on the stage receiving that trophy and crown, I was literally in tears, and it was a childhood dream come true moment for me. So it was amazing.
For me, it still feels so surreal. I still can't believe I'm actually wearing this gorgeous crown, and it's just a wonderful feeling because women like us who are married, we don't think that there's a platform like this that we can participate in and win a crown like that. So this has been absolutely unbelievable.
For me, it was an unthinkable experience. I never thought that I'll be having this with me. I just love it, and it was an amazing experience.
If you can talk about your journey after marriage, like how it has been, and now what responses you are getting from your family and the friends.
So I have been married since last 11 months now, and my in-laws are very, very supportive. Being a psychiatrist myself, I did not have much time to give to the pageant and the family member at a time, but I think they were really very supportive. It was a tough journey, but it was wonderful, a roller coaster ride, I'll say. And after this crown, everybody is like, "Ye hamari Mrs. India hai." This is like our daughter-in-law who has recently won Mrs. India. So it was like a proud moment for me and the family.
For me as well, I've been married for 5 years now. I have a 4-year-old son. So he still can't believe that his mother has a crown. My husband, my in-laws, my family, they've all been very supportive. They've encouraged me to go ahead, live my dreams, because a woman's life doesn't stop after marriage. It only gets better. And this stage and this platform has just proven it to us.
It's been 11 years for my marriage, and since then, before marriage also, it was a dream. Like I wanted to participate in events like this, but never got chance. So after marriage, things changes. But now, after talking with the family, I got this chance to participate, and with the family support, I got this chance. And after winning, the response of family is amazing. Everybody is coming to meet me. Wherever I go, people are clicking pictures with me. They are just treating me as a celebrity. So that's an amazing feeling. And one best thing which I can say is my daughter. I have a 6-year-old daughter. She wears heels and she just walks like me. So that is an amazing feeling.
So tell us about today's event. How was your experience after winning this crown, the photo shoot experience?
It was amazing. First of all, after the event.
Yeah. So tell us about your experience with Glamour Gurgaon and what journey has been with Barkha ma'am and the team.
So today we had a shoot for the magazine of Glamour Gurgaon. Glamour Gurgaon is the reason all of us are standing here with these crowns. They are unbelievable with the way they have organized the entire pageant. And now we are here. We had an amazing day. It started at 8 in the morning with our hair and makeup and everything. And it's so amazing when you're here for the first time with your crowns, shooting for a magazine cover. It feels like a whole new experience. So it's been absolutely lovely. We have these gorgeous outfits, and it's been amazing. We've learned so much, because from home where you're taking care of your family and you leave everything, and this is a platform for you to show yourself as a woman. They've given us a stage where we can go all out, and it's just amazing. And I think all of us here are extremely grateful for them, because if it wasn't for them, I don't think we'd realize our potential. I don't think we'd ever think that we could be on a stage like that, be able to carry these crowns. So really a big thank you to Glamour Gurgaon.
So 13th of the November we were crowned, and today 13th of December, it's been a month with the Glamour Gurgaon, and Barkha ma'am and Abhishek sir has they have been supporting us throughout a month and telling us what to do, what not to do, what is good for you and what is not. And I think it was wonderful, the 5 days we have spent with them in Gurgaon. Those were the learning experiences for us, and we have been learning from her. So it was an amazing experience. Today we had an amazing photo shoot. Started at 8 a.m. and we are still going on. So we are looking forward for a more exciting journey with the Glamour Gurgaon.
It was an amazing experience with Glamour Gurgaon, especially with Barkha ma'am and Abhishek sir. They were very supportive for everything, and the things which we have learned, in few days we can never think like we would have learned it somewhere else or somehow. So life has totally changed after being a part of Glamour Gurgaon. Thanks to Abhishek sir and Barkha Nange ma'am.
With your introduction, and then we'll start with the questions.
Look center, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, I'm Smita Prabhu, winner Mrs. India Pride of Nation, Ravishing 2021.
Good evening everyone, this is Dr. Angela Khanna, a proud winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation, Ravishing first runner-up 2021.
Hello everyone, this is Megha Mehta, second runner-up, Mrs. India, Pride of Nation 2021.
Right. So tell us about your experience and how was the feeling after winning this pageant and the title?
Winning this is definitely a dream come true for me. It's been an amazing journey with Glamour Gurgaon and the Mrs. India Pride of Nation itself. Well, I totally agree that everybody is unique, everybody have the potential. I always believed that, but coming here also the whole setup was really very well organized by the team, and it's been an amazing journey. After winning, it's a total 360-degree change for me. It's been a new world. I see world in a different way. I see world in a more positive way, and we definitely can make a difference in this world.
People talk about rebirth. I guess I have got a rebirth the day I was crowned as the first runner-up of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021. As a doctor, I did not even imagine that I had this aspect in my personality, and the way Abhishek sir and Barkha Nange ma'am curated each one of us and actually made us a different dazzling personality, which has not only made us proud and even the relationships we are associated with. Talking about a family from where I am, it's been a very professional and a very service background kind of a family, and today they are proudly calling me Mrs. India first runner-up even before calling me a doctor. So this is the scenario today, that the way the woman has evolved being a part of this beautiful Glamour Gurgaon pageant.
मैं इतना ही बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक गृहिणी बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ कुछ भी कर सकती है. एज आप देख सकते हो कि बरखा मैम और अभिषेक सर ने इतना हमें ग्रूम किया है. आज मैं जहाँ भी हूँ, जो भी हुद्दे पे हूँ, वो बस मैम और सर की वजह से हूँ. सो थैंक यू.
So tell us about the photo shoot experience with Glamour Gurgaon, and how you are feeling after shooting the first photo shoot after winning this pageant.
Yes, this is the first photo shoot, and it's been magical, I must say. Whenever I looked at the cover pages on the magazines, I always thought maybe I will be there one day, but working with Glamour Gurgaon and with under the guidance of Barkha ma'am and Abhishek sir, anything is possible. We can achieve anything. It was an amazing journey today from morning till now. It's been really special day for all of us. Thank you.
A part of me was always attracted to the glamour word, but this little girl inside me never knew that this would actually come true. Today, wearing the crown and having a photo shoot in front of me, coming from Delhi right in the morning in a very tiring zone, and then getting excited, in fact super excited, because of the beautiful glamorous dresses we have been given, the professional attitude of the designers, Barkha ma'am, Abhishek sir. I guess anybody who is here will be like a queen, not even just in a second, but even in a day, or maybe for millions of years coming through. Thank you.
For me, it's like a dream come true. जब भी मैगज़ीन देखती थी तब ऐसा लगता था कि हमें भी कभी हाउसवाइफ उनको भी कभी आगे आना चाहिए, उनको भी कभी चांस मिलना चाहिए. तो ये चांस हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैम, बरखा मैम और अभिषेक सर ने दिया. तो आज का जो शूट था तो उसको देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कोई ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में जा रही हूँ.
Thank you so much. I will ask you a question.
Look, camera center, huh? Tap the light.
Yeah, start.
Hi, I'm Santoshi Dhotre Vadadkar and I'm a winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021 Face of West.
Hi everyone, I'm Kavita Venugopal, winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021 Face of South.
Hi everyone, I'm Nishita Thakur Gopinath, winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021 Face of East.
Hi everybody, I'm Priyadarshini Neharika, winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation 2021 Face of North.
Wow. So how was your experience shooting this cover, and tell us about the feeling after winning this title?
So definitely it's wonderful, speechless, and this Barkha ma'am is giving us wonderful platform for each woman. She thinks about it like every woman should get chance and she should enter into this glamour world. Because it's not easy after getting married, having a children, you should enter into this glamour world. I was always doing advertised TVCs, so everyone was asking, for you this platform, why you need it? Because you're already into the glamour world. But no, this crown and this platform and my talent is only because of this platform is given, and I can motivate and help millions of lives.
So this platform which has been given by Glamour Gurgaon has really modified our lives in a better way, and we have been getting more opportunities in the glam field, and we all are very, very fortunate to get such wonderful opportunities in such a short span of time. It's just been a month's time we got crowned, and we are getting so many offers which is just overwhelming, which always makes you feel like a queen. So I'm very grateful to Barkha ma'am and Abhishek sir for giving us such a wonderful platform to also showcase our talents and upbring the women in today's world. Thank you.
There are few experiences in life wherein you have to experience it and only then you can express in words. I wish it was easy and possible for me to tell how wonderful the feeling is. You need to experience it yourself. But this platform gave us confidence, proved we fought our fears and we are here, crown winners. And it is a beautiful feeling. Talking about the photo shoot was just fabulous. We came a day prior from Delhi and we are here in this wonderful garment and it's just so beautiful. Thank you.
Well, like most likely people believe that, post-marriage women hang their boots. So if in case that's something which is absolutely contradictory and an eye-opener to all women who, at whatever stage and phase of life you are, if there is a platform that can give you an edge over the others, open your eyes, make you believe in yourself, then this is the place where one needs to be. I do come from a very stable career, but that was not something which actually stopped me. I dared to dream, and this platform gave me the opportunity to not only live my dream, but feel it and breathe every bit of it. So yeah, that's how the platform's been a great feather and addition to all of us as CAP. We're all novices, most of us are novices rather in this field. So the shoot today honestly was almost giving us butterflies in our stomach, goosebumps all over, because it's the first time that we're shooting with so many cameras in front of us and all those flashlights and the beautiful garments and dazzling outfits, and yeah, it's an amazing experience, and it's the wow moment that anyone could live.
Thank you so much. Introduce yourself and then I will start with the question. Start.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Swati Arora, winner of Mrs. India Pride of Nation Ravishing Face of South.
I'm Debushree Tiwari from Calcutta. I'm Mrs. India Glamour Gurgaon, winner Face of East 2021.
Hi everyone, I'm Amarjeet Kaur. I'm a winner of Mrs. India Pride of the Nation 2021 Face of West.
Hello everyone, I'm Captain Dr. Taranjot Kant, winner Face of North, Mrs. India Pride of Nation Ravishing 2021.
So tell us about your feeling winning this crown, and tell us about your experience of today's photo shoot with Glamour Gurgaon.
Sure. So basically, being into a stable field, this is not what I wanted to really do. And I was like, I wanted to be there on the magazine cover. I wanted to kind of walk the ramp, do photo shoots. तो वो कहते हैं ना, हमें पता है हमें कहाँ जाना है, बट हमें कोई रास्ता दिखाने वाला चाहिए, हमें वो प्लेटफॉर्म देने वाला चाहिए, वो अपॉर्चुनिटी देने वाला चाहिए, कोई गाइड करने वाला चाहिए. And exactly that is what Abhishek sir and Barkha ma'am did, and this forum did for me. So here I am with full confidence, and I want to kind of be an inspiration to a lot many women out there that if you believe in yourself, the world will believe in you.
Yes, this is just a wow moment. I take my life as a challenge. I'm a single mother, so life was never been so easy. And I got this platform because of Barkha Nangia ma'am and Abhishek sir. Both of them gave me the platform. And this is just my dream come true. And I am loving all this kind of situation, what is going on, the photo shoots and the cover page, everything. And I'm very thankful to Almighty, my family, and sir and ma'am.
Hi everyone. So my feeling for this is not just a beauty pageant contest for me, and I think it's for everyone. With my perception, this is whole personality development process from for every woman from every domain. Since I belong to science or technology domain, I'm a scientist by profession, but this is a 180-degree transformation for me. I got a glamorous feel and that factor in my personality, in my attitude. If I'm carrying a crown, yes, I have a responsibility towards the society as well, and I'm going to work for the NGOs. I've been working with the NGOs from past 2-3 years, and this is a platform where I can use this pageant or this crown for the goodwill of society, and hence I'm also subtitled as Goodwill Ambassador. So I'm definitely going to live other dreams as well with my attitude, my work towards the society, and of course for myself as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm very grateful to the whole pageant committee. They have been working 24 hours, all standing for us only, to groom us to be here and to be more confident in each and every field of our life. Thank you so much.
My journey, I would say, has been absolutely spectacular. The experience has been exhilarating. From the day I entered into pageant till the day I won the crown, it was a rewarding experience. I learned on every single day and from every bit out of it. Also, I would say that competing and bonding with so many beautiful souls around was very, very humbling for me. And it was a beautiful experience to be mentored by such special people like Abhishek Nangia sir and Barkha Nangia ma'am, who helped us out throughout the journey. So I would say, all in all, a beautiful, eventful journey for me.
सबसे पहले बताइए कि पैजेंट इतना सक्सेसफुली हो गया, आज जो है सारी मॉडल्स के साथ फोटो शूट हो रहा है ग्लैमर गुड़गांव के लिए. थोड़ा सा जर्नी के बारे में बताइए, जब जो है शुरुआत हुई थी और अब मतलब इतने सारे सीजन्स हो गए मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन के. थोड़ा सा बताइए कितना प्राउड फील होता है और कितना सपोर्ट मिला है इस जर्नी में आपको?
बहुत 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 प्राउड फील होता है जब मैं देखती हूँ कि ये मैरिड वुमेन जो हैं वो अपने घर से बाहर निकलती हैं, अपने सपने पूरे करती हैं, अचीवमेंट्स जो वो हासिल करती हैं शो में पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद, और उनके सपने मॉडलिंग को लेकर पूरे होते हैं या फिर फ़ोटोशूट को लेकर पूरे होते हैं. वो जर्नी देखकर बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग भी है ग्लैमर गुड़गांव के लिए. और जब हमारे कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स जो हैं वो वेब सीरीज़ में काम करते हैं, बॉलीवुड में काम करते हैं, वो देखकर बहुत ही अमेजिंग फीलिंग होती है. जस्ट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, एक हमारे कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स ने अभी एक मूवी किया है, चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी, जिसमें वानी कपूर के साथ उनका पूरा सीन दर्शाया गया है. और स्क्रीन पे जब वो आई तो ऐसे लगा बस ग्लैमर गुड़गांव ही स्क्रीन पे चल रहा है.
एंड इस साल के जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए, उनके साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कितने कोऑपरेटिव थे, और पूरा जो है ग्रूमिंग सेशन भी आप लोगों ने किया है इनके साथ, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आपके लिए?
जब हम ग्रूमिंग सेशंस करते हैं तो बहुत बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट सेशंस होते हैं, उनकी ट्रेनिंग जो होती है उनको दिन रात करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ मैरिड women वी कांट कीप देम फॉर मोर देन 5 days विद अस। जब वो यहाँ पे रहते हैं तो उनको डिफरेंट टास्क दिए जाते हैं, डिफरेंट असाइनमेंट्स दिए जाते हैं, ट्रेनिंग्स हर तरीके की दी जाती है, जिसमें उनको सारे जो टास्क और ट्रेनिंग जो है कंप्लीट करनी पड़ती है। उसको पार करने के बाद ही वो विनर बनते हैं। तो इनकी जो जर्नी है इस बार के कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स की मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी रही, और जो भी डिज़र्विंग कैंडिडेट्स थे आज वो सब अपने साथ हैं, सामने हैं, और उनसे आपने भी बात किया।
राइट। ऑल्सो जो है इन सारी मॉडल से हमने बात कर ली, आपसे बात कर ली। अभिषेक सर का हमेशा से सपोर्ट रहा है, तो उस सपोर्ट के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए।
अभिषेक सर के सपोर्ट के बिना मैं भी यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ी होती, क्योंकि जैसे सबने बताया कि उनकी फैमिली बहुत सपोर्टिव है। अभिषेक और मेरी शादी को अभी 11 साल हो गए हैं, और जब से हम लोगों की शादी हुई है, क्योंकि मेरा भी यही सपना था कि मुझे भी कुछ ना कुछ करना था अपनी लाइफ में मॉडलिंग और फैशन की फील्ड में। तो अभिषेक की सपोर्ट से, मेरी फैमिली की सपोर्ट से मैं आज यहाँ पर हूँ, एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू गॉड कि मुझे उन्होंने इतना अच्छा परिवार दिया।
राइट। ऑल्सो जो है हमारी देश की बेटी मिस यूनिवर्स बन गई है हरनाज संधू, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस बारे में? एज ए वुमन कितना प्राउड फील?
हरनाज संधू ने पूरी कंट्री को बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग कराई है। इसी बात पे मैं एक और बात बोलना चाहूँगी कि हमारी एक कॉन्टेस्टेंट 2019 मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन की इस साल साउथ कोरिया में हो रहे मिसेस यूनिवर्स में जा रही हैं, जो कि फेब में होने वाला है। तो उनको देखकर बहुत अमेजिंग फीलिंग हो रही है कि हमारे भी ग्लैमर गुड़गांव से लोग मिसेस यूनिवर्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और कम्पीट करने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
ओके। एंड मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन के लिए नेक्स्ट क्या होने वाला है, और थोड़ा सा अगर फ्यूचर प्लान्स के बारे में बताएं।
मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन जो नेक्स्ट ईयर का सीज़न है, उसमें हम और भी चीज़ें ऐड करने वाले हैं, जैसे उसमें ट्रेनिंग और ऐड करने वाले हैं। उसमें जो फॉर्मेट है वो थोड़ा अलग होगा, क्योंकि हमारा फॉर्मेट जो होता है ट्रेनिंग का वो हर बार थोड़ा अलग होता है।
इसके बारे में बताइए कि अब मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन के लिए नेक्स्ट क्या होने वाला है, क्या फ्यूचर प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं?
मिसेस इंडिया प्राइड ऑफ नेशन जो 2022 में होगा, उससे पहले हम लोगों का एक और पैजेंट है जो हम लोग करने वाले हैं। उसका नाम है मिसेस वर्ल्ड इंटरनेशनल 2022, जो कि अगले साल मई में होने वाला है। उसमें हमारे पास जो कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स हैं वो इंटरनेशनल कंट्री से भी आ रहे हैं, और उन सबको लेकर हम लोग एक कॉन्टेस्ट करने वाले हैं। ये इंडियन एडिशन है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड अदर रीजंस की वीज़ा का प्रॉब्लम है, तो ये हमने इंडियन एडिशन रखा है। अदरवाइज़ ये पैजेंट मिसेस वर्ल्ड इंटरनेशनल कभी थाईलैंड में होता है, या कभी दुबई में होता है, या कभी किसी और इंटरनेशनल कंट्री में होता है।
थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच।